Y'all, tell me why I went to go record me getting my bowl and I turned the camera off. Oh my gosh, period. This is gonna be so good. Ah! I cannot wait. Should I ask for no blueberries because I don't really like blueberries. I think they have like an unsettling texture. Like, look at that. That is disgusting. I cannot stand those little tops of blueberries. That's gross. Ew. And it just fell in my car. I need my car detailed. That's actually what I asked for Christmas because I've had this car for 2 years and I've never gotten it clean. There's this man looking in my car right now, right next to me. He's getting out, he's looking, he's still looking.
Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the tea on me, I swear they nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, he can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew up about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me if I ever heard one.
Kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name? Say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you say it in my line, I'm on your mind, and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, get posted. How that works? What you talking? Back that shit up. Won't you say mine, say mine? So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
Period, Sarah.
On my auntie.
It looks so good.
Thanks, Jader Tots.
Wow. And Grace wants to get her hair done too. Now y'all making me plan to get mine done.
Jada, I had to get mine done.
Your hair looks so pretty.
Thank you.
So Grace trying to get a side part. You got a side part. Now I gotta get a side part. To me, makes my head look big.
Yeah, and I have a circular face. It makes it look wider. Okay, y'all, so I'm back from my hair appointment and I'm actually obsessed with how this came out. Like, it's giving grown woman. In my grown woman era, for real. Okay, so it's like heavily layered. And it was a little bit shorter than I like wanted, but I honestly feel like, oh my god, it's so sticky because of hairspray. It was a little bit shorter than I wanted, but I feel like it came together really well. It was like this long, but I just told her like do some deep layers. Like, I don't care because I was reusing the hair. But right now I'm just getting ready for dinner with one of my friends. So I'm just gonna freshen up, wash my face, and just reapply glam. And my vanity is not turning on, so I'm gonna have to use this light while I do my makeup. So let's see how this turns out. I have this visitor on my face. It's like actually pissing me off. I'm using the Kiehl's Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution, and it's also has salicylic acid, so it's gonna help get rid of that. So tonight we're trying this new restaurant here in Houston called Lombardi, and I cannot wait. It looks so cute, and I want to go look cute. You know, I have my hair done, like, let's go, GNO. I'm gonna use this Fenty Blemish Defeater. This is perfect for underneath makeup. It kind of makes its own patch. I've been so under the weather lately, so you can kind of hear it in my voice. So I haven't been washing my face just out of pure laziness. My face is breaking out because I chose not to get up and wash my face. I'm using this Milk Hydro Grip Primer. It's the best ever. I'm really liking this lighting right now. Purr. A little bit of this color corrector from Bobbi Brown. Oh. You know when you break out so badly and it actually hurts? I don't know if I'm gonna use the Yummy Skin Tint or the Blurring Balm, but part of me is feeling like I want to do a little blurring balm moment. I haven't used it in so long, and I feel like it's just sort of sitting in my makeup drawer. But I love the product, so I'm gonna take it for a swing. 2024, I am gonna be more consistent on this channel because I feel like I put a lot of my focus into TikTok just because it's way quicker and easier. Oh yeah, look at that. It's just way easier to create, and it's just less time, and I can just get my ideas out there faster. I feel like I'm neglecting my YouTube because there was a time when it was all about YouTube and I didn't even have TikTok. A lot of you guys are finding my TikTok and you're like, I never knew you had one. But a lot of people on TikTok, I have more followers on TikTok and they don't know that I have a YouTube. Oh my gosh, this was such a good idea because this, oh, Danessa, what did you put in this? For tonight's look, I feel like I'm just gonna do like a little simple glam. Nothing crazy. It's 5 o'clock, dinner is at 6:30, but it doesn't ever take me super long to do my makeup. Why is it like three-dimensional? Ew. You're never supposed to try new things when you're going somewhere, but I don't listen. I'm gonna try my Charlotte Tilbury wand. I never really use this for real, but I'm just feeling like trying some new stuff. Pat that. Oh, she did my edges so well. I don't know how to do edges, so whenever I go to her, I get them just because I know I'll never be able to have that again. And then I'm gonna go over this one more time. And I haven't wet this beauty blender in days. It's just pure laziness. Oh my gosh, I just love seeing how my face comes together while I'm doing my makeup. And I know y'all see this skinny on me. I know y'all see this, my face looking all gaunt and stuff. Yo, Ozempic is Ozempicing, y'all. Like, I'm literally, I went from the 180s to the 150s off of Ozempic. And I, like, could not be happier. Like, literally just take the easy way out. You have nothing to prove. Everyone's like, oh, you could just go to the gym, like why don't you just work out? And there's only so much that working out can do because I actually do work out. My appetite is killer. But let's get into this face. I'm just using some blush real quick. There are so many fragrance launches this season and I'm really excited for them. Also really overwhelmed by how many there are. They're just coming out left and right. I'm really interested in the Tom Ford Vanilla Sex, but $400 for a vanilla, I just don't know. And you know the Tom Ford perfumes last for like 30 minutes. However, I did just get the Jo Malone Ginger Biscuit and it was the last one in the US. Like, I'm not even joking. I had Jo Malone cross search every store. They didn't have it anywhere. Neiman's didn't have it anywhere. It's not online, but Saks had it. And there was one left at a Saks in Boca Raton and I got it. So I got the last Jo Malone Ginger Biscuit and I'm feeling like a winner. I actually really want to play my music, so I think I'm just going to do the rest of my makeup off camera and then come back when it's time to get dressed. All right, besties, here is the getting ready. Oh, I turned this light off and turned on my actual lights, but this is how we look after we got ready. I'm really loving this short hair. I'm just wearing this dress from Skims and some slingback heels. And I'm feeling really cute, feeling really grown. I gotta find a little perfume to wear. I'm thinking maybe like Angel Share. Oh, also guys, guess what I just got in the mail? The Delicia Drench body butter from Sol de Janeiro. Yeah, I'm so excited. I put it back there. I tried it on. It smells really good. To me, it smells like Charli D'Amelio Born Dreamer. It's like fruity, sugary. I just don't know what I'm feeling for the perfume. Like I want to smell edible, but I also want to smell grown and sexy. Like I'm really like in my grown and sexy era. I feel like I'm just gonna mix these two because this one gives like cherry seductive and this one gives like cinnamon roll. You know, I gotta take this over top. All right, let's go to dinner.
Just touched down.